I have an update coming in from Maharashtra. Remember, Maharashtra was one of the states where the India bloc has got a good margin. Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, meanwhile, leaving from Mumbai to Delhi. And that will be to attend the NDA alliance meeting. Sharad Pawar and Supriya Sule, meanwhile, have also left. They will be expectedly attending the India meeting. But remember, behind closed doors, there have been a lot of discussions and deliberations, we are told, are happening. Sharad Pawar will want all these other factions to be on his side, which are now with the NDA. So it is the same Shiv Sena, NCP that were divided, one respective seats with different alliances. Saurabh Bhaktania is joining me from Mumbai. But for now, this is the big news coming in. Saurabh, over to you. So we were discussing markets earlier, back to the political corridors. How important do you think will be for Sharad Pawar and Supriya Sule coming to Delhi, while Eknath Shinde is also coming to the national capital, to have their alliances in place, because both have important numbers?
Well, this will be very interesting because the India alliance leader have already left for Delhi.
Yes.
Now, very importantly, Sharad Pawar, who is also known as the Chanakya of the politics. Now, the way he has turned out this entire election in the state of Maharashtra is really remarkable. And what the leaders who are close to Sharad Pawar, to MVA, all have been telling us since yesterday that they are very positive. They are keeping all their cards open, all doors open, but they don't want to speak anything on camera right now or openly. What they are telling us right now, that everything is positive. Let our meeting of India Alliance happen in Delhi, then we'll tell what is our next step. What they are telling us, that overnight several things changes. The way Sharad Pawar and the Shiv Sena of UBT have won in the city of Mumbai and other places of Maharashtra, they are very positive. They have won over 30 seats in the state of Maharashtra, and this is a very landslide victory for the MVA, what the exit poll had already shown. Now, what they are telling us, that there is a very important meeting which is going to happen.
Okay.
Indoors meeting have already happened in the state of Maharashtra. They are very positive about the meeting which is going to happen in India Bloc Alliance in Delhi. Supriya Sule, Sharad Pawar has already left. So very important to see what will be the next step. All eyes will be in Delhi, where there are two important meetings of NDA and India Alliance which will be happening. And by evening we'll come to know what will be the next step of India Alliance bloc.
The 48 Maharashtra seats, majority in fact, have gone to the India Bloc Alliance, and there was this also issue of which is the real Shiv Sena and real NCP. Has that been put to rest as well, this time at least when it comes to voters? Saurabh, thank you very much for updating us what's coming in from Mumbai.